Hi, good morning. Today we will see the top VIM 3 commands. Not top, uh, these are the commands I like the most. The first one is pattern lines filtering. This is the need. For example, you know how to search a pattern and you will see the results by pressing N or capital N. You will be going like pressing keep on N, but you want to separate all those lines which are matching this pattern in a separate file or in a separate tab so that you can document or paste it in a mail saying that it is an error or these are the observations. So how to do that I will tell. First of all, I will take a sample file. I'm pressing no H means no highlighting. These yellow things highlighting will go off when you press no highlighting. So now we need a pattern to match. For example, I will use I want to see where clock star is there. So these are the search results. So CLK is used in these lines. So I want to copy all these lines which are matching the pattern in a separate tab, let's say tab E. Press GT to traverse through the tabs. Press GT to traverse to switch between tabs. Okay. Uh, okay. Now the command is command V. You have to go in a colon. Press shift semicolon, that is colon, and then V. V implies negative, means command you will whatever the pattern you will specify after this V, it will do reverse. For example, I want clock D. What you are saying is if any line matches clock, delete that line. Okay, so you might have aware of this G command. G clock D means globally apply this command clock on whichever the line clock matches, delete. So you will not see any clock in this file. I will go revert back. G not, you are saying don't delete whichever the line matches clock. Amazing. Or otherwise you can use V. You can use either G not, G bang or V. Okay, so this is not what I told. It is deleting all the lines in a file. What if you want to copy all those lines? Do this thing. Press QAQ. After that colon V pattern slash D, sorry, slash ank into capital A or any capital letter. It is capital A or capital K, anything. It is a buffer. Buffer means it is a register and you are giving a name to it register. You cannot give multiple characters, but you can give only a single letter character. So first I will press Q, A, Q, and after that I will press this V. I want clock, and I will ank into capital A. So nothing happens. The file will be same as it is. Go to this tab. You can press GT or you can press this thing. After that, press colon small a p. Colon is must and a is the register what you created. There you have to use capital letter. Capital will indicate that it will append. If you use small letter, it will override the same line. So you can use, if you have used some other letter, let's say K, you have to press KP. Now I will press colon A colon A P. Q A Q or Q B Q colon V clock ank into capital A. And go to some other tab, ank E, ank EP. Okay guys, something wrong is there, but you can do here itself. Clock D you can do, and then you can copy, and then you can paste here, and you can go here and press U to undo all your changes. You can do that way also, and you can save which one the name you want, results, it will be saved, or you can copy into mail. The next thing is navigation. Sometimes it is really irritating, right, to traverse all the lines using arrow keys, up and down keys. Instead you can use navigation letters. Let's say, for example, if I want to go to here, how you will do that? I cannot press mouse button when I'm doing editing, right? So I will press capital L, just capital L. I will go to low. Capital H for head. I will go to top. If I want to go middle, I will press capital M. Okay, so that's where you can do. And the next thing is moving to a character. Let's say I'm here, I want to move up to O. Here, how you will go? You will use arrow keys, right? If you are somewhat advanced, you will use W for words, and if you are too much advanced, you have to use T capital O. Then I will land upon before O. Okay, till O. Or sometimes I want to delete up to O. How you will do is delete D. I pressed D. You can see here D till T capital O, and up to O it will be deleted. Center, middle and below. It is not, it is like head, when you will go to top, low you will go to bottom, you will go to middle. This is okay, but what if I search this line CLK, but I want to see what is the next lines. You want to place this line here, head. Here you want to place. Usually you will do like down, down, down arrow. You will do like this. But now what you can do is press Z. You can see here Z top T. It will go to top. Otherwise you want to place this line middle. I want this line to be middle. So you can press G middle. So you can press GG ZZ ZZ. If you place ZZ, you will, for example, this pulse gen is there, pulse gen clock. I want to be middle, ZZ, it will be middle. Z bottom B, it will go down, pulse gen. Z T top, it will go to top. Diagraphs. So when you are documenting, it is very important. You can use diagraphs. What I'm saying is press colon dig. You will get all the diagraphs available. For example, I want to use particular, let's say anything. You can use any of the letter. My favorite thing is, give me a second. Okay, I can remember that. Let's say you are documenting and you have underscore and this thing hyphen, but there is no, I will tell you, commands. I will just write like this and I will write like this. There is one type of documentation. So I will show you some other documentation. First, go to insert mode, press Ctrl K, and after that you can choose any of the diagraph. For example, in this case I will press comma M. So you have to select any of the diagraph. Let's say DO, DO or at 80 NL. I will use this thing NL, or register RG. I will use register. Okay, let's say I want registered to Surendra BeN. Here I have to insert Ctrl K, capital R, G, small g. See, that symbol will come, right? What if I want that register symbol as 30? I will tell you. Here, from here onwards, I want this type of top lines 30. Let's say you have to press before itself 30. You go into the insert mode, Ctrl K, and you can press whatever the diagram you like and press escape. That's it. Surendra BeN. Sorry. And then I will press 30. So this is one type of documentation. So you can see clearly the difference between these things, right? Here I used diagraph for Control K, and then colon M in insert mode. Okay, in insert mode, then we will get symbol like control K colon M. It's okay, like that. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. These are the commands you can practice. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment. Have a nice day. Happy VIM.